One of the question that was asked is, which of the following activities constitute real sector in the economy? 1. Farmers harvesting their crops. 2. Textile mills converting raw cotton into fabrics. 3. A commercial bank lending money to a trading company. 4. A corporate body issuing rupee denominated bonds overseas. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Firstly, I would underline the main keyword of this question, that is this real sector. See, if they had asked something like which constitute the primary sector, secondary sector, tertiary sector, then the whole difficulty of the question crashes. They have used this word called something called real sector. So TLDR, the background behind this question is the entire economy is divided into two. It is called real economy and one other is financial economy. The real economy entails any transaction which surely involves goods and services, whereas the financial economy entails any transactions which are financial in nature, that is only money is being transacted. So if you had known that, it's easy to mark the question. However, if you are not aware of exactly the concept of real sector, how a person like I would attempt this question is, I would see that the first two transactions are very similar, which has something related to goods. Harvesting the crops, yes, it is a good. Crops are goods, and textile fabric, or that is also good. These two look like very similar, like only money transaction. Lending money to a trading company, issuing some money based bonds. So I would definitely not mark all the above, because these two come under two different categories. These two. So the only option which divides the options into these two similar and these two is only 1 and 2. Hence I would mark 1 and 2. However, that being said, this question has its one of the most important learning of this question is basics are not easy. What I meant is, sometimes this question has come from basics. It might have its roots from some very small standard, some NCRT. But however, that does not make the question easy. What I meant is, suppose there is a very complex economy related topic which is currently in the news. Say that in last 3-4 months it is heavily discussed in PT 365. It's a very difficult concept, something like base erosion, profit sharing, But that a student might be finding it much easy to attempt than some very question belonging to the very roots of economy, very basic fundamental question, because the NCRT must be read like way long big, and any serious aspirant will stop reading NCRTs after a while. So that being said, this question in exam environment, I would feel like I would categorize it into moderately to difficult question.